In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can activate Metro by T-Mobile eSIM on Android device. So first of all, you need to make sure to purchase your eSIM plan, and once you have purchased your eSIM plan, you will going to receive a QR code which going to look something like this. Now once you have received your QR code, you can then head over to your device settings and then go for mobile network. If you are on Samsung or Google Pixel, you need to look for the option of connections, which usually is the Wi-Fi. Then you need to go for SIM card manager, or you can also search for it. Otherwise, you can simply click on eSIM. Make sure to enable if you haven't enabled it, and then tap on this add eSIM. Now make sure to click on next on the bottom right, and now you just need to scan the QR code that you have received from your Metro mobile. Now click on download on the bottom right of your screen, and it might take few minutes to activate your eSIM. Then you can simply click on eSIMs again and make sure to enable your eSIM. Click on the three dots and click on enable, and you have successfully enabled your Metro by T-Mobile eSIM on Android device.